Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this very basic algebra problem in which we have to find the value of two unknown variables when we are given two equations. So let's start. We are given x plus y equal to 6. Name this equation 1 and x times y equal to 6. Name this equation 2. X plus y can be written as x equal to 6 minus y. Name this equation 3. Now put equation 3 in 2. We get 6 minus y times y equal to 6. On solving this, we get 6y minus y square equal to 6. Now multiply this equation by minus 1. We get y square minus 6y equals to minus 6. Bring this minus 6 to the left hand side. We get y square minus 6y plus 6 equals to 0. Now we can find the value of y by using quadratic formula, which state x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. For any equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So y can be written as equals to minus 6 plus minus under root minus 6 raised to power 2 minus 4 times 1 times 6 divided by 2 times 1. So y is equal to 6 plus minus 6 raised to power 2 can be written as 36 minus 4 times 6 equals to 24 over 2 is equal to 6 plus minus under root 12 over 2. Under root 12 can be written as 6 plus minus 2 root 3 divided by 2, and 2 can be taken common from the numerator. We get 3 plus minus root 3 divided by 2. These will get cancelled out and we get y is equal to 3 plus minus root 3. So we have two value of y. y1 can be written as 3 plus root 3 and y2 can be written as 3 minus root 3. So put this individual value of y in equation 3. We get x1 is equal to 6 minus y1 is equal to 6 minus 3 plus root 3. It can be written as 6 minus 3 minus root 3. We get 3 minus root 3, the value of x1. Similarly, we can calculate x2 is equal to 6 minus y2. On substituting the value of y2, which is 3 minus root 3, we get 6 minus 3 plus root 3, and at the end x2 is equal to 3 plus root 3. We can verify this value by putting these individual value in the given equation. So let we know x plus y equal to 6. This is given in the problem. On substituting the value of x1 and y1, we can check if this is equal to right hand side. So x1 is equal to 3 minus root 3 plus y1 is equal to 3 plus root 3. These will get cancelled out and we get 6 on the on the left hand side and 6 which is given on the right hand side. Hence we can say the calculated values of x and y are correct.